Hello, this is Daniel with PwnCNC, and I'm really excited to be partnering up with Onefinity to bring you an exclusive version 8 of my dust boot. These are the parts that you'll receive. You'll basically receive the main body piece, the face part, an acrylic, 3 M3 by 10 millimeter screws. Onefinity will be including a pair of wings, as well as 4 of these 6 by 32 3/8 inch long screws for mounting that, as well as a hex driver. Of course, you'll have to provide a 2 millimeter hex driver for these M3 screws. You'll also get about 14 inches of 1-inch brush material. You'll need a box cutter or a knife or even a flat edge cutter to make that work. Let's get started. We're going to start working on the brush first. We're going to take our main body piece here, and we're just going to press it right into the track. The track should fit pretty well, depending on whether you're using the 1-inch, or they may have a 1.5 inch in there as well. So just make sure you get that nice and pressed in. Make sure it's flush on one end. All of this extra we'll be utilizing for the face piece. So let's get this in seated well, and then we'll come back with flush cutters. We're going to snip off that spare piece there. Now that we've got our boot piece on, let's jump over to our face. Take the spare piece of the brush here. We're just going to slide this into position. Now it is cut oversized, so make sure you push back that piece there. Make note of where we're going to flush cut it, and come back and there we go. Just make a little indentation in the brush material, and then we can come back with our flush cutters and snip that right. Of course, it makes a big mess, but just be aware of that. There we go. Make sure that brush is sitting nice and straight up and down, perpendicular to the bottom of the boot, and you should be good to go. So we've got the acrylic here. Just set the acrylic down into position. Take one of the M3 screws. Just kind of hand screw it a couple of turns just to keep it in place. Here we go. Take our M2 2 millimeter hex driver, and we will seat that all the way in. There we go. All set. The boot's ready. Now we're ready to put on our wings. So I'm going to take one of the wings here, set it on. There's a little track here which helps hold the wing in the proper position. Drop in one of the screws. Now you will be setting the wings do have a front and back adjustment. That is just in case the router gets shifted one way or the other. We're going to want to make sure that they're flush if you're using the 65 millimeter mount. Okay. Get our other wing on there. There we go. We're all set. The PwnCNC's version 8 dust boot is ready to go. The hose adapter basically snaps right onto the back. I do have other hose options available. I'll link to on the install page. The boot just pops right off. There's a couple sides you could just pull it off that way. The boot works really well if you just want to cut it. Sorry, not cut it. If you want to use your cutter just like that, or you can snap on your face piece, and there you go. Remember, happy making, and don't just own your CNC, dominate it.